Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "She Thought Punching a Cop Would Save Her Husband."
Down to the river.
Ma'am.
I am telling you.
You're gonna get your
dead in the river right now. You're gonna all be dead. My husband's dead. I don't
Stop yelling. Where was he supposed to
up, you motherfuckers. Pricks.
Cops in Ohio received a panicked call from a woman whose husband, after losing his job, had left the house, and his GPS location was now appearing in the middle of the river. Fearing the worst, the woman urged cops to come and help her find him.
Hi.
Down to the river.
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, I can't help you if I don't get information. Okay, calm down, cooler heads. 61. The female's now driving off and wants me to meet her wherever she's going. If you can try to call her back and tell her to stop so we can get more info.
I mean, if this is true, then I could see this being an emergency.
You can't, what are you doing?
Can you please go down to the river?
We are, but you can't be driving like that.
Please go down right now.
If you cause a crash, though,
I am telling you.
you're gonna get yourself
dead in the river right now. You're gonna all be dead. I have all the police here. I'm trying to get them to go to see if Peter's in the river.
We're trying. Give us a minute,
okay?
okay?
You can't be driving like that.
This is my husband's location right now. Okay?
It's not in the water.
He was in the middle of the water. You need to go down. Someone go down there right now. I will not get back in my car. I swear to God. I will stand right here. But go down there right now.
I am going now.
Go right now. Go down there right now, please. Oh my God. Not a big deal, okay? Okay, guys, pull up.
No.
Okay, now he's moving. Can you see? Right there. Please, now he's moving, okay?
Okay.
You don't understand, man. I was just worried about his life. He said it was in the middle of the river. He just quit his job 4 hours ago. We have 3 little kids. He's very scared. And when I saw that, he said he was meeting with his coworker to try to get him to come and be his secretary. When I saw it in the middle of the river, I was really scared for him. Okay? Nothing is wrong with me.
And we're not faulting. We're not taking anything away from this, but you cannot be running red lights.
Okay, I get
Because
it.
what if somebody hits you and you get into a really bad accident?
I get it. But if my husband's dead, I don't shit.
Stop yelling.
Oh my God.
I understand you're upset. You do not need to cause a scene.
Where was he supposed to go?
Where was he supposed to go?
Fuck up, you motherfuckers. Prick.
Where's your license?
You called them. Am I missing something here? You called them and now you're telling them to shut the F up because they're pricks. You called them. You don't want to give them no information. You just want to run red lights. Trust me, I get it. I get it. I understand her concerns. You know, it's valid. Okay? She's concerned about her husband. The cops are concerned about everybody. Okay? So you're concerned about your husband. Very understandable. But the cops are concerned about everyone on the road because you're driving like a lunatic trying to get to your husband, which I understand. But that still doesn't justify your behavior.
Because you're about to be the
have
same.
my license on me, okay? Take me in, for God's sakes!
Okay, absolutely.
Oh, you're cooked.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're cooked.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're cooked.
You do not do that.
You want the attention. You got it.
She just hit me. What is your problem? We are trying to help you.
You weren't listening to me.
You weren't talking.
I was.
We told you to stop.
I
You
told
wouldn't
over
stop.
there. I said, please go to the river.
What do you think he's doing? He's down there. He's looking.
You guys are the biggest assholes I've ever met in my life.
Yeah, but you're the one that's freaking driving like a maniac trying to cause accidents.
We're looking for a male by the name of Peter Winovich. His, huh? I don't know. I don't think so. His wife is freaking out. Apparently his phone is pinging down here somewhere.
After a long search, officers were able to track down her husband alive and well. But they have some bad news for him.
Hello? You Pete?
Yeah.
How are you?
What, he had a shorty in the car? What are you doing?
Not exactly. Your wife is in custody right now. She was worried about you, so she was calling.
Wait, hold on. Let me see how many hours passed. Hold on. So that's 20, 19. Oh, okay. So only not too long. So 19. About an hour. About an hour has passed. It's not bad.
Good. Is everything okay?
Well, not exactly. Your wife is in custody right now. She was worried about you, so she was calling.
She's in custody?
Yes, she struck one of the officers while we were trying to look for you.
Oh my God. What happened?
We were trying to get some information out of her about where you were at because your phone was pinging in the river, so she thought you were in the river. So we were trying to find you.
Yeah, I was literally meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So she wasn't listening when we were trying to.
Is she okay?
She's okay. Yeah. She's just in custody right now.
I literally just had a wonderful dinner. Okay, so I don't know why. So where is she at?
She's in the patrol car. She's gonna be taken to the temporary holding facility here pretty soon and be booked.
Why would she be booked? Just
because she struck one of the officers. She's under arrest for assaulting an officer right now.
I'm sorry that I have like disbelief on my face, but like
I mean I don't mean to.
Yeah, I'm just
bring you bad news.
I'm just first off, she's okay though.
She is okay. Yes.
Okay.
Everything.
So like, how did she get arrested? How did you guys even know I was like here? Like,
she was pinging your phone in the river, so we were walking the park trail down there looking for you. Eventually, she gave. She must have given her phone to one of the other officers. We were using your location to just find you where you're at right now.
I know. I was sitting in the right over there.
Yeah, she said you were supposed to be at Swig, and she couldn't find you at Swig.
Well, because it's closed.
Okay.
Isn't this like just a misunderstanding? Like, do you think that she was like scared?
Yeah, it is a misunderstanding. The misunderstanding is that she can't keep her hands to herself. So I would hope that you would not be sticking up for her and giving her an excuse and enabling this behavior. So I hope you're not going to say anything crazy. Because at the end of the day, I know emotions are high, but that does not mean that she could just give a 1-2 punch to the officer. So I hope this guy isn't an enabler.
Swig.
Well, because it's closed.
Okay.
Isn't this like just a misunderstanding? Like, do you think that she was like scared that for my well-being?
Yes, that's exactly what it was.
So like, is there any way that we could just not have her booked and arrested? Like, is there any possibility?
We're past that. We're past that
really?
point.
I don't
yes.
know what. I don't know what already happened.
Unfortunately, she struck an officer.
Who did she? She's.
Yeah. She don't know how to keep her hands to herself.
I'm like in.
I mean, any other circumstance, I believe we could probably work this out.
This is like a huge misunderstanding.
Bearer of bad news.
What?
I said I'm going to be the bearer of bad news.
Okay.
So I don't know. I know you're going to get a traffic citation for.
But he's okay, right? My husband's not in the river. Okay.
He's okay.
I mean, honestly,
He's
I go to
on-
jail, like, okay.
Over by 5th Street Pub. That's where we
Okay,
found
thank
him.
fucking thank you,
Yeah,
Jesus.
he's okay. He's all right. He's all right.
My life just felt like it was over. Okay,
so-
all right, bad news.
Okay.
I'm ready.
So the nicest news I have for you is that you're going to get a traffic citation.
you're also going to go down to jail, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to get booked on a couple charges. I don't know what they are yet, but I will let you know shortly.
Well, I can't
But
imagine
they
it's
are,
gonna
I
be
believe
good.
it's obstruction.
Kristen was charged with assault, 2 counts of disorderly conduct, a traffic control device violation, 1 felony assault charge, and obstructing official business. She took a plea deal to drop the felony charge. In exchange, she pleaded guilty to most other charges. She was sentenced to 60 days in jail that was suspended, 2 years of probation, and was ordered to pay $917 in fines and fees.
I released brand new unseen.
Okay, so suspended. Doesn't suspended mean that it's held over your head? Let me Google it real quick. What does it mean to have a sentence suspended? That means when it's a suspended sentence is a court order where a judge delays, postpones the prison sentence. The prison time a convicted person would normally serve, allowing them to avoid immediate jail by meeting certain conditions. Okay, yeah. So that's what I thought it meant. Okay, all right. That's what I thought. Okay. I gotta make sure on these things. You know what I'm saying? See, I gotta look. See, I just, Google be having the answers. You know what I'm saying? I thought that's what it meant, but sometimes you never know. So yeah, 60 days suspended. So pretty much it's held over her head. If she violates her probation or whatever, she'll go to jail. Okay, so that's fair. That's decent. I get it. Emotions are high and everything like that, but that does not mean that you get to, beat on an officer. Like that doesn't. Because if you've hit an officer so easily like that, I can only imagine the things that you're doing to your husband. And this guy, he's an enabler. This guy, he don't know what happened. He don't know if the officer is injured or anything. But this guy is just like, oh, isn't it a big misunderstanding? Did you even ask? You said, is she fine? She's fine. Okay, cool, fine and dandy. But how about the officer that she struck? Are you even concerned about that or no? What if the officer got a black eye? You don't even know the situation, but you're trying to, justify her actions. Nah, no justification. No, absolutely not. Anyway, I get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.